red.
It looks really smart. Yeah, I like it. Petrol. I like it how smart, isn't it?
That's nice, isn't it? Yeah. That's what I got asked. What was your goal celebration? I haven't scored. Yeah, that's nice as well, isn't it? I like the red one.
Me? Do I look alright? You were not taking a photo like that. Wayne, look at the side. Like that.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Where do you want them? Higher over your knee?
Yeah, well I never fold them over.
He plays like that. Like Thierry Henry used to wear it like that. Each in their own, isn't it?
That way?
Yeah, go that way. Can you do it both at the same time? If it helps form